Before this video starts, make sure to subscribe and like this video. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the vid. So today we're gonna be talking about this rumor that hair is positioned in your Rubik's Cube. So first, we need to find out if the rumor is true. Secondly, we need to find out what causes the cube to have hair. And last but not least, we need to find out proof to back up our points. Now that we have information into our brains on what we need to do and our steps on what to do and how to do it. So I'm going to imply that into the research. So now with all of this information gathered into our brains, we need to make a hypothesis on what our thoughts are into the rumor. So we need to find out that. So my hypothesis into the topic is that the rumor is true. Why, you may be asking yourself? Because this is just my opinion, but me personally, I think cubers spend a lot of time cubing and trying to make their time better. So because of this, hair can come out of their heads and go into the cube. So that's my prediction. So because of my hypothesis in this specific topic, so I'm saying that yes, it is true, and I'm gonna be confirming this. Why? Well, when someone is cubing for a lot of time, their hair can come out of the head. Yeah. So because of that, it falls into the cube, and yes, that process going into. And yeah, so my hypothesis is that if you cube a lot and you use the Rubik's Cube for a long time to try to beat your record or whatever you do in your Rubik's Cube, there's going to be hair. But let's really make sure that my hypothesis is true, because other people have other hypotheses which are kind of like meh, like not as clear. So okay, so I just went to Google and it said that it's correct, so that proves my point. So this is the outro, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that proves my points on my hypothesis that is exactly correct. So yeah, the rumor is true.